As you can see, I have the lights on. This is where I show the accent lights that I got from Joe Florida LEDs. I chose the blue. They look pretty nice at night. Most of the engine. A couple of lights for the front wheel and a couple for the rear, along with the blue accent lights. I put a couple of light bars added to the luggage rack, saddlebags. And there's the right side of the bike. Got a couple of amber lights that came with the Goldwing. That looks pretty good. I added Custom Dynamics LEDs for the turn signals. That's the right turn signal. I took the stock incandescent bulb out and the socket and replaced them with LED light bar for the turn signals. I'll show you the left. There you have the left. Yeah, pretty nice. Now she's ready for the road. That's my bike.